Hello, good morning. Today we will learn tens and ones. Okay, page number 3030. Now look here. Write the numbers in the tens and ones for 61 to 70. Okay, now what is this? This is a tens and this one is a ones. Okay. So it tens and ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many tens? 6 tens. Okay. And ones, 1. Okay. Like this. Here how many tens? 6 tens. And ones, 2. Here how many tens? 6 tens. And ones, 3. Here how many tens? 6 tens. And ones, 4. How many tens here? 6 tens. And ones, 5. Okay, like this you have to complete your worksheet. Okay बच्चों, bye bye.